Hello guys and welcome to the beauty of South Africa. I'm your host Ngululeko. Our channel is all about travel, the latest automotives and trends, fragrances and a fabulous lifestyle. And if this sounds like your cup of tea, I'm delighted to let you know that you are in the right place. Please comment, like, share and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And please don't skip the ads, as all your contributions are crucially valuable for the growth of our channel. And if you feel just a little bit extra generous, please support us through our super thanks and our super stickers. In today's video, I want to share my vacation experience at the Kingdom Resorts in Northwest, giving you a glimpse of what you can expect if you are interested in visiting the area. And I'm sure that you'll be happy to know that the Kingdom Resort is just 6 kilometers away from the famous Sun City. The Kingdom Resort serves as affordable accommodation, alternative to the accommodation at Sun City, which most of them are more expensive. Tourists can choose to stay at the Kingdom Resort while they are not compromising on premium experiences. In the list of premium activities that are offered at the Kingdom Resorts, starting from its premium accommodations, a safe and tranquil environment, clean facilities, the good food and excellent customer service. Also fun family activities like a water park, a children's playground, barbecue facilities or braai areas, bike hire, a game drive where you can witness the Big Five, white biking and more activities around the area. And yes, the star of the show, which is the Sun City Water World. Well, we live in Pietermaritzburg and that is where our trip began. And we left Pietermaritzburg at around 1 during the day. And we arrived at the Northwest Kingdom Resort at about 12 a.m. at night. Our trip was about 11 hours. And that 11 hours was full of adventures and memories along the way. Let me begin by showing you what their rooms look like. And at least that's the room that I was allocated. This room is a double bed, suitable for solo travelers or couples. I must say that the room was spacious and very clean, equipped with a fridge, complimentary water, kettle, coffee, teacups. You know, all the works. Plenty of plugs where you can charge your cell phones and your laptops. I was very impressed. Everything was just clean, including the TV and the bathroom. And the bathroom was also spacious, clean and stylish. This room also has a balcony with 2 chairs, providing you with that extra freedom to relax, making those who like to smoke feel at home. I'm sure that they'll be happy to know that they can sit outside, that's in case they want to smoke, and also to respect the accommodations policy of a restricted free smoking policy. But please check this with Kingdom Resort. The Kingdom Resort is a family-friendly environment, also offering rooms that are suitable for families sharing. But I must say that I wasn't pleased with the fact that the restaurant can be far if you are staying at the rooms where I was. your way to the food area or the restaurant, you are greeted by a very green children's play area, which is also in the vicinity of the restaurant. There's also a trampoline here where even adults who feel young at heart can enjoy themselves. There's also a mini golf course. All of these are in the vicinity of the restaurant, which is good, especially for those who don't want to be too far away from the vicinity of their kids or children. This is your view inside from the restaurant. I'm not complaining about the food. The breakfast is good and the dinner as well, it's also good. The staff members are also quite friendly. I mean, what else can you ask for? In my books, this is a perfect definition of royalty lifestyle. Well guys, that's my experience coming from the Kingdom Resorts in the Northwest. And I must say that it was truly memorable. If you are looking for comfort, adventure and relaxation at very affordable prices, coming with a variety of activities that suits everyone's lifestyle and taste, the Kingdom Resort is a place for you. I give them a 10 out of 10 as a worthwhile destination. As a solo traveler or traveling as a group. Well, that's it from Unkululeko, your host from the beauty of South Africa, signing off. Peace.